Welcome to AgriBot channel. Today we are looking at the inspiring Bakahu revolution from Karnataka, where bananas were transformed from a highly perishable crop into branded value-added products. This story is not just about banana flour, but about women's entrepreneurship, smart processing, and how rural innovation can create real prosperity. Karnataka is one of India's leading banana-producing states, and Uttara Kannada has become a very important contributor. In 2021-22, banana was grown on 8,939 hectares and produced more than 2.13 lakh metric tons, with average productivity of 23.85 tons per hectare. This crop supports the livelihoods of farmers not only in Uttara Kannada but also in nearby districts like Chikmagaluru, Shivamogga, and Hassan. So when banana prices fall or produce gets wasted, the impact on farm income is very serious. Even though banana is a valuable crop, growers were facing a major challenge after harvest. Because the fruit is highly perishable, farmers had very little time to sell it, and poor storage infrastructure made the situation worse. During peak season, market gluts reduced prices sharply, so even good production did not guarantee good income. This is exactly where value addition became a game-changing solution. Bakahu stands for Balekai Hudi, which simply means banana flour. Instead of selling only fresh bananas, farmers and women entrepreneurs could process raw banana into flour and other shelf-stable products. This extends the usable life of the crop and opens up many more market opportunities. In simple words, Bakahu converts a risky perishable produce into a flexible value-added business product. ICAR Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Uttara Kannada Sirsi played the central role in making this movement successful. The KVK trained farm women in preparing banana chips, banana flour, papad and sukeli, while also teaching entrepreneurship and hygienic production methods. These were not just classroom sessions, they included practical demonstrations, market-oriented production, and exposure visits to successful women entrepreneurs and food processing units. This kind of handholding is very important because skill alone is not enough unless women also gain confidence to start a business. To make training truly useful, KVK also provided practical processing support. Women received kits containing slicers, measuring tools, molds, and essential utensils so they could start small-scale production properly. They were also introduced to low-cost technologies like solar dryers, mini flour mills, and vacuum packaging units. These technologies help improve consistency, hygiene, shelf life, and overall product quality without requiring very high investment. A major milestone came with the Bakahu Value Addition Workshop and competition held on the 11th of August 2021. Organized with the Uttara Kannada Organic Federation, Department of Horticulture, and ATMA, the event brought together nearly 56 farm women and SHG members. They showcased more than 175 innovative products, including Bakahu chocolate, jalebi, cake and even Kurkure-style snacks. This clearly showed that banana flour was not a niche item, but a versatile ingredient with strong commercial potential. KVK's support went far beyond production training. Women entrepreneurs were guided on credit access, subsidy schemes, and bankable project proposals under programs like PMFME, Stand Up India, and MUDRA. They also received help with branding, packaging, quality certification, and labeling, which are essential if you want to sell beyond the local market. Through melas, exhibitions, farmers, markets, SHGs, FPOs, cooperatives, and even e-commerce, these products started reaching wider customer segments. With continuous mentoring, women like Mrs. Ganga Hegde, Mrs. Mamta Bhat, and Mrs. Vasundhara Hegde established successful Bakahu production units. Their businesses grew from local sales to national and even international markets, proving that rural food processing can scale up well. Social media played an important role too, as women shared recipes and built customer interest during the COVID period. With support from Mahila Marukatte, Bakahu products were even exported to the United States, where consumers appreciated their quality. The Bakahu movement gained national attention when Prime Minister Narendra Modi appreciated it in Man Ki Baat on the 25th of July 2021. He highlighted how women were making products like dosa and gulab jamun from Bakahu and creating demand even during the pandemic. One notable success was SMT. Ganga Hegde, who received 12 lakh rupees under the RKVYRAFTAAR Agri-Business Startup Fund to expand banana powder production. Business results were equally impressive. Bakahu sold at 150 rupees to 200 rupees per kilogram. Production rose from 50 kilograms to 500 to 800 kilograms per year, and annual turnover increased from 2 lakh rupees to 7 lakh rupees. The Bakahu revolution shows how value addition can reduce losses, raise farm income, and create strong women-led enterprises in rural India. If you found this story inspiring, like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to AgriBot channel for more such agriculture success stories.